Record again. Okay. Hey. Oh no. Hey. No. Hey guys, we're back with part 2. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Should I go pop one of my abilities? Let's see. Let's go. Boom. Orang Tower. What the heck? You're calling people names. Stop calling them lucky names. No, I'm gonna lose. No, ceramic, no! Ceramic, no! I lost some lives. Sorry guys if you're watching this and it's really laggy. Yo, you just lost. Hold on, come on. No, you almost lost. Oh, I'm gonna lose. No, turbocharge. Maybe it's bad. No, who's gonna get loose? Cause we're both gonna lose here. No, are you gonna win? Are you gonna win? Yeah, you're gonna win. You're gonna win. What the heck? You just won. You just won. Well, that sucked. Well, I'm gonna end this video here. Jay Plays signing out. I won totally.